In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively edit or delete transactions in QuickBooks Online, a powerful tool for managing your small business finances. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access QuickBooks Online. So, launch your Chrome browser and navigate to QuickBooksIntuit.com. Once you're there, simply log in with your credentials to enter your dashboard. Now that we're in, let's get started with editing a transaction. The first step is to find the transaction you want to edit. You can use the search bar conveniently located at the top of your screen to quickly locate specific transactions. If you prefer browsing, head into the relevant section. For sales-related transactions such as invoices or sales receipts, navigate to the Sales tab. Here you'll find what you need under either invoices or sales receipts. For expense-related transactions, go to the Expenses tab where you can explore under Expenses or Bills. For transactions that have been reviewed under Banking, you'll find them under the Banking tab in the Review Transaction section. Once you've found your transaction of interest, click on it to open its detailed view. With the transaction open, you can now edit the necessary details to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Perhaps you need to adjust the date, update the amount, choose a different account, or add a more detailed description. Carefully make all required changes so your books accurately reflect your business activities. After making these edits, it's crucial to save your changes to avoid any loss of data. Look for the Save and Close button to finalize and exit the transaction once the updates are complete, or select Save and New if you wish to proceed with editing another transaction immediately. Now, let's discuss how to delete a transaction should the need arise. Just like before, start by finding the transaction you need to remove. You can use the search bar or navigate through the sales, expenses, or banking sections to pinpoint the correct transaction. Once located, click to open it as we did earlier. With the transaction open, direct your attention to the bottom area where you'll find either the More button or a small drop-down arrow. Clicking it will reveal a list of additional actions. Select Delete from this menu to remove the transaction permanently. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm this decision, so when prompted, click Yes or Delete to finalize the process, and there you have it, the step-by-step guide to editing or deleting a transaction in QuickBooks Online. These skills can help you keep your accounts clean and accurate, enabling better financial management for your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.